Local businesses are the backbone of communities, and many still struggle with digital transformation, creating massive opportunities for tech-savvy entrepreneurs. One of the most in-demand services is Google Business Profile Optimization, where you help brick-and-mortar shops appear in Near Me searches. This involves claiming their listing, adding high-quality photos, crafting keyword-rich descriptions, and managing customer reviews. A well-optimized profile can double a bakery's foot traffic, and many small businesses will pay $200 to $500 for this one-time setup. Local SEO takes this further by building citations, consistent name, address, phone listings, on directories like Yelp and Angie, while creating location-specific blog content, best roofing materials for city's climate. Tools like Bright Local and Whitespark automate citation tracking. Service area businesses, plumbers, electricians, particularly benefit from this, as 97% of customers search online before hiring. Monthly retainers, $300 to $1,000, for ongoing SEO are easier to sell when you show competitors dominating search results. Hyperlocal social media management outperforms generic strategies. A pet groomer's Instagram should tag local dog parks and partner with nearby vet offices for cross-promotion. Geo-tagged reels showing happy pups get prioritized in local feeds. Community Facebook groups are gold mines for realtors and home services, providing value. Free, first-time homebuyer checklists for your area builds trust before sales pitches. Charge $500 to $2,000 per month for content creation and engagement. Reputation management solves a critical pain point. Set up automated review request systems, Podium or Birdeye, that trigger SMS follow-ups after appointments, then monitor and respond to feedback. For negative reviews, draft diplomatic responses offering to resolve issues offline. This shows potential customers the business cares. Some agencies charge $50 to $200 per review removed, when violating platform policies, plus monthly monitoring fees. Direct mail automation might seem old school but delivers results when targeted properly. Use EDDM, Every Door Direct Mail, from USPS to saturate neighborhoods with postcards, but add a digital twist, QR codes linking to exclusive video tours or limited time offers trackable with Bitly. A garage door company might mail $50 off coupons only to homes built before 1990, found via county assessor data, achieving 5-10x ROI. Local lead generation can be systematized. Build simple websites ranking for terms like emergency plumber, city, using rented phone numbers to track calls, then sell the leads to multiple businesses. Alternatively, run Google Ads for contractors and take a percentage of closed jobs. Roofing leads often convert to $10,000 plus projects. The key is bundling services as done-for-you digital marketing, rather than selling individual tactics. A $1,500 per month package might include SEO, 8 social posts, and review management, positioned as cheaper than hiring an employee. Always start with a free audit showing missed opportunities, and use case studies from similar local businesses to overcome skepticism about ROI.